Hello, guys. So I'm here. I'm going to go over how I get these levels and those key levels that I send out every morning for SPY and other stocks in general. So first, let me cut all these off. Let me just make it nice and clean. Sorry about the algo alert popping up, but you can see how they decently played out today. I mean, look at this level and then the breakdown from there. Look at where we bottomed. Look at where we kind of, also bottomed going across. You see the wicks and obviously the opening and closings. Look where we broke out to go up. So let me just clean this up. Give me 1 second here, and then we'll go over all this. By the way, we just also bounced from this level on that wick. But it's very easy. So I'll go back a few days, and I'll look at what happened. Let's pull up a 15. Let's also redo this. I'm going to keep these levels up here because we're going to focus on what's going on right now. Okay, so you can see some sort of stuff there. Hold on 1 second. You can see this level. I mean, look at this. Of course, it may have went a little bit under, but look at where it's basically bouncing every single time on this level. Look at that going across. Same thing here. Same thing here. Look at this. You see where it bounced there on the 40501. Look at that. That bounce. This breakout, and then we got continuation. Okay, let's go to a daily. Let's do this now. Okay. So I'm looking at this. Let's do one thing right here. Okay. So now I'm going to look for things with openings, closings, and wicks in the same areas. So good example of this is look at this right here. Look at all the 3 wicks we have right here. Look at the opening we have right here. Let's go across and see if we find anything else. Look at the the opening we have here on this green candle, the close we have here on this green candle, the opening on this red with a little wick, the wick. I mean, right there, easily, I'm saying this is a level that you want to put. Let's see what that was. So this was 410.09. And I'm looking, and you could change it up just a little bit because I'm looking, I have a picture next to me of my old levels, and you're not going to get it exactly right. Like from the eye here, it could be like a tad bit higher, it could be a tad bit lower, like 1 click under, 1 click over. But, we'll put it right there where it looks like it's sitting at the top of the wick, where it looks like it's sitting at the top of this candle, these wicks here, and so on and so forth. Again, same thing here. Look at where this little gap is. Look at going across. You see this opening, this close, this wick on this candle. You also see the open on this candle. So let's go ahead and put that. And like it right about there. So I'm looking at this level right now, and on my other chart where I had it, it was at 408.31. So again, you're not going to get it exactly to the point where I had it before, just give or take 10 cents, and it's most likely going to be a support and a resistance. So again, clear examples. You're looking for things that are opening, closing, and wicking in the same areas in, decent time frames. This is literally all I do. It's that simple. And these levels are pretty spot on, if you've noticed, over the past couple of days. These range breaks have been amazing. Obviously, when they turn into support and resistance, they've been amazing. So let's go and tag another one here. Let's see. I like the top wick there. And then you can see going across, we have an opening here. We have a close here, got a little wick that went under, close here, just about under the open, just about under the open, just about under the close, at the open, again, and almost at the wick here. I mean, again, another level. And this one is where are we at there? I got 411.63. And I'm looking at my chart right now. On my past chart, it was 411.50 I had it at. So again, just simple things you could do to look at. Now, let's do something else here. So we got those down. Okay. I'm looking at a daily time frame. Let's look at a 10, 15, 5-minute. So let's see. You see right here, we have all these openings and closings. I don't like how it's in pre-market that much. Let's see if we get more of it in another time frame. And as you see, we do. And this is an open right here. Let's put that. For 12.98, you could see we have a lot of rejection right here, rejection right here, rejection right here on this wick, breakout, pullback. So we get a little bit closer. Pullback, wick. Of course, this one extended a little bit. And you can see we broke down and started another, larger downfall under that. So that was 412.98. I'm looking right now. My level on the old chart was 413.04. So again, under 10 cents. And again, you're not going to get it right. I'm looking on a past chart, so that's why I'm comparing it. You're never going to get it 100% right. Okay, so this 413 level was, I know, massive. I know we had one right about here, and I'm looking right now. 413.55 is where I had it. You can see rejection. You can see we kind of rejected right here, then broke above. We were like flagging right here, then broke down. Rejection right there at the close. Rejection here. Again, just another level. And I'm looking far out right now, as you can see. But you can see where these prices are just sitting, and you're able to find, those levels. And again, it's just that simple. Look at the opens, closes, and wicks. Line where they match up. And I'm not saying if there is only 2 of them, I'm saying like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like a large assortment of them. That's where you're going to find those supports and resistances that matter. And that's the easiest way I could put it. So if this helped, I hope it did. If anything, if you have any questions, please do ask. And, basically go from there. I'm trying to keep this video a little bit short. I know no one wants to watch a 10-minute, 20-minute video, so keeping it short. Please ask any questions if you have at BullTradeFinder on all social medias. Have a good one.